Hello guys! Nanapod ko for today's laa guys. We're here at the Mantangali Alibuag Dive Resort. Guys, this resort is only 80 kilometers from Cagayan de Oro City and facing the Bohol Sea. The name of the resort came from the town they are located in, Mantangali, while Alibuag is the local word that means freshwater springs, of which there are a lot of both above and below the water. This resort takes pride in being Northern Mindanao's premier diving destination with a warm and homely touch. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Hi guys dia.
We're here. We're here at Mantangali, Alibuag. Guys, nice na pauban karon guys among guests for this week's
Guys, wala ang Cagayan.
Tanawa. Nag-cutting classes na siya sa iyang trabaho guys, kaya para makalaag lang. O ara, na siya cellphone pag vlog na dagtuing. Papaisa na to guys, itambog guys, nagplaster na. Oh, di ba? Lanchada dia oh.
Tambay na rin. Ano to?
Dia mo, picture mo dia oh, chada. Amon doa na ing oh. Dito ing. Abay mo doa ing anak kay makita ang kuan.
Kita ang lulong.
1, 2, 3, smile. Di ba? This can view guys. At the dagat. Dapat kailang dagat to. Yan. White sand sila. It's our second time na gyud nag-ani diri guys no, and so far this is one of our favorite beaches in Misamis Oriental. Nice kay lahang beach gyud diri guys, kay kana maligo ka diri sa ilahang dagat guys, bugnaw kaayo, and you are facing the Camiguin Island, so nice pud kay view kay makita nimo ang Camiguin Island. Then white beach pud ni sila guys, fine sand, and mo lagi na guys pag kuan ka diya, makaligo ka diya silang dagat, ma-feel yun nimo ang kabugnaw. Guys, maayong hapon. For today's laa guys, we're here at Mantangali Alibuag, here in Balingwan, Misamis Oriental. Look guys, taob ang dagat karon guys. Look at my view. The dagat is so green and their sand is so white. They have a white sand here guys. Look guys. So nice. Look at my view guys. So this is the trademark here guys, the shade. So naa na siya bridge din na going to that shade guys. Kung taob ang dagat, pwede ka din na mag-dive diya nga spot guys. Mag-diving mo dira. Let's explore their place guys. Let's go. Good morning. It's our second day here, guys, at Mantangali. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and we are going to the beach. We will swim in the beach, guys. So, panaog namin sa ilang beach, guys. Ilahang beach, guys, no, is naa sa ubos. So, naa sa taas na part ang ilahang accommodation, the restaurant, the swimming pool. Pero ang access sa ilang beach is panaog. Kaya, bali elevated man ni ang Mantangali, guys. So, ang dagat nila is naa sa ubos. So, diri pa mi moagi ani ilahang pathway going down to the beach. So mauni ilang maagian nimo, guys, the forest. There are a lot of trees within the vicinity, guys. I guess na yung mga lansones tree, durian, and other fruit-bearing trees. Then napun sila yung mga orchids garden diri, guys. Then they also have a lot of flowering plants in the area. So, grabe ka nature vibes gyapon kay diri, guys. Kay pwede ka sa forest. Then, pag naog nimo sa ubos kay beach na dayon. So, kung gusto po ka, di po ka gusto maligo sa beach, napod sila yung swimming pool. So, grabe ka relaxing. So, mauna ni, guys, ang view pag naog na mo sa beach area nila, guys. Look. So amazing. Grabe ka linaw ang tubig, guys. Grabe ka kanang bugnaw kay sa mata, relaxing kay sa mata ang imong pananaw, guys. Then klaro din kay ang Camiguin Island, guys. So mao na siya ang view na mo that morning. No, so grabe ka kuan kaayo sa among panglamtaw. Ano siya mong view diha, guys. So, makita ninyo, guys, ang view nila diri sa beach area nila. Mainggan nyo, gid mo obligo kay grabe gid ka kanang tempting kay ang ilahang water sa dagat kay linaw kaayo and clear. Tanawag, guys, na hagdan diya, guys, panaog before din ka makaabot sa ilahang beach. Diha ka makanaog kay elevated man siya, guys. So kailangan kini nga area diri, guys, mao ni siya ang bugnaw ang ilang tubig. So I guess this is where the cold spring came from, no? Kay bugnaw diya, guys, diri nga area mo na diri mga area ng posisyon og ligo kay bugnaw ang ilalom. So na, guys, klaro jud kay, guys, grabe ka clear water and then linaw kay ang tubig, as in grabe nice kay sa feeling, guys, nice kay sa imong body. Magligo-ligo ka diri sa dagat nila. So mao na atong view diya, guys. Nasa sila ni pahat, guys, the cottages. So pwede magstay. So muna mong view diya for the sunrise. Klaro kay Camiguin Island, guys. Hi, guys, good morning. Look at my view, guys. The Camiguin Island. Guys, nice kaya akong view, guys. Grabe kalinaw ang dagat, guys. As in, gwapo kaya ang dagat, guys. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and we're going to ligo. Ligo mi sa dagat, guys. Nice kay lang dagat, guys. Look at my view, guys. Mingaw pa kayo, guys. Kupay tao diri, guys. Kasi Timoy nangita sa iyang mga ka-works. Yan ang gipangita. Okay. Ipaligo na. Dagat. Okay, so nice kaya ang view, guys. Kadagat mi karon guys. We're here at the Mantangali Alibuag Dive Resort in Balingwan, Misamis Oriental. This diri guys. Very kuan kay ang dagat guys. So, look at my view guys. Oh. Okay guys, ligo sa mi guys. See you later. Guys, we're going to check out na. Hi guys, we're checking out na. We're going home. Tapos na yung staycation namin. Say hi. Uy.
Maso ang kainit.
Say hi, uy. No, pag ita kagawas na init na.
Ansog kainit sa init. Labad yun, labad.
Checking out na guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi guys. We're here at Talisayan at Paasa Seafoods. Mag-lunch kami guys before heading home. Okay, basig sa puto na niya nga mong driver nga gutom siya. So, amo sa siyang pakaunan guys. Say hi.
Hi.